Hi! Hi boys and girls. Today Miss Tam is here with me and we will be learning with you together the Tokyo Gorin Ondo dance.
The Tokyo Gorin Ondo is the official dance to the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games happening this coming July. This dance has a lot of traditional Japanese dance movements, so we are very excited to learn this with you.
This dance is actually quite long. There are 5 sections to it, so we will split up the tutorial into 2. This week we will first learn section 1 and 2. Next week we will release another video and we'll learn with you the other half of the dance. So make sure you follow the channel.
As you learn the Tokyo Gorin Ondo, make sure you check out the fun fast videos about Olympics linked in the description box below. Alright, Mr. Lee, are you ready to learn the dance?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Let's go!
The introduction of the dance is very simple. It's just a double clap with a single clap 6 times. You may also notice how Mr. Lee and I turn to different directions, but you only need to move your upper body with you when you clap.
After the introduction, we now have the standard sets of movements that will repeat over and over again throughout the dance. So the first movement goes like this. We have our hands out, your right hand is on top of your left, and we are going to sign the numbers 2, 0, 2, 0. So this movement represents the year of the Olympics this year. Let's do that again. 2, 0, 2, 0. And after that, we will sweep to the right, sweep to the left, and then arms up. So this movement right here represents the traditional Japanese helmet with the ornaments at the side and the crown on the top. So let's start from the beginning. Let's practice. 5, 6, ready, go. 2, 0, 2, 0, sweep, sweep, up.
The next one is a kabuki step, and this one is a traditional Japanese dance movement. Now lower your right arm and point to the right. Keep your left arm above your head, and then move to the right 2 steps. Ready? 1 and 2, and then switch to the left. 1 and 2. Now let's start from the top. Ready? 2, 0, 2, 0, sweep and up, right and right, left and left. After that, then we will move our right leg forward. While you step forward, so you cross your arms, and then left leg back, open, and after this, step your right foot with a peace hand sign.
So from 2, 0, 2, 0 again. Ready? 2, 0, 2, 0, sweep, sweep, up, right and right, left and left, forward, back, peace. So for the next part of our dance, we actually have to move from our starting position. So let's figure out our footwork first. We're going to move forward starting from our right foot. So right, left, right, left. Afterwards, we're going to go back and we will start from our left foot this time. Ready, go. Left, right, left, right. So let's try to put this together. Starting from our right foot forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, back, left, right, left, right. Now with our arm movements together, when we move forward, we actually have to bring our arms up. So we're going to go right, left, right, left. Make sure when you bring up your arm, you're looking at that direction. So let's try this one more time. Let's practice. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, left. Now, as we move back, we have to roll our shoulders back as if we're looking at some beautiful scenery. So let's go back, 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 back. So from the forward part. 5, 6, 7, go. Forward, 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 forward. Back, 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 back. From 2020. Ready, go. 2, 0, 2, 0. Sweep, sweep, up. Right and right. Left and left. Cross, open, piece. Forward, 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 forward. Back, back, back.
Now we'll spin clockwise with 4 counts. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the 4th count, we'll clap our hands to the right and the left foot point to the ground. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will go back, so we will turn to the left. Ready? Go. Left, right, left, and hop. So you can see that on the 4th count, then we have to hop with our left leg. So let's try one more time. Starting from the spinning clockwise. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and hop. Then we have to move backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. This move is very similar to the one after the spinning. And then we'll move back. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 4th count this time, we'll clap on our left. So let's try with the spinning clockwise again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, clap. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, 3, clap. 5, 6, 7, and left.
Very nice, from the beginning. From 2020. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 0. 2, 0. Sweep, sweep, up. Right and right. Left and left. Cross, open, piece. Forward, 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 forward. Back, 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 back. Turn, turn, turn. Back, back. Hop, back, 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 back. Stop. So from this position, we're going to take out our left hand, and it's as if we're pressing our palms against a wall. We have 1, 2, 3. And then your left hand will stay there. You take out your right hand. 4, 5. So this hand movement right there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, represents the 5 rings of the Olympics. Can we try that? Starting from here. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we're going to stand tall, and we have the drumming gesture. So we're going to clap, and then with your left hand, tap your elbow, clap in front of you, and then to your left. So the whole drumming pattern goes right, elbow, forward, left. Let's start from the palming. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, 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 right, right. Clap, elbow, forward, clap. Afterwards, we are going to bring up our arms and move forward with our right foot. So, forward, and then left, and then we're going to go back starting with our left foot. Back, back, and then bring up your arms again. Stop. So let's start from our palming section again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap, elbow forward, clap. Forward, forward, back, back, and stop.
Now we'll start from the very beginning. So let's start with the introduction. That is the clapping. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 2, 0. 2, 0. Sweep, sweep, up, right and right, left and left, cross, peace, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. And then hop, 1, 2, 3, and then clap your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then clap, elbow, clap, clap. Right, left, left, right, and then.
Very good. Let's try that with music.
Now, let's learn section B. The introductions of section B is the movements that we learned before. So now, let's lower our right arm, put our left arm above our head, and then move to the right 2 steps. Ready, go. Right and right, left and left, cross and then peace. After this one, we will start with the 2, 0, 2, 0 again. Ready, go. 2, 0, 2, 0, right, left, up, right and right, left and left, and then cross and peace, right, left, backward, left, right, left, and then spin, clap, hop, and then move backward and clap, move and clap.
So from here, we're going to add a new movement. We take out our 2 index fingers. We're going to twirl. After that, we will stand up tall, take out your right hand, form a circle with the thumb and index finger, and then loop the circle with your other hand. And then swap hands. So the whole thing goes from here, twirl, loop, and then loop. This is actually the hand sign for the Paralympics, which will be happening during summer as well. So let's practice one more time. Twirl, loop, loop. And then we resume back to our original movements. We have clap, elbow, clap, clap, forward, forward, back. And that's it for section B.
Now, let's start from the top of section B. So for section B, we start with this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and right, left and left, cross and then peace. 2, 0. 2, 0. Right, left, up, right and right, left and left, cross and peace. Forward. It's just the same as before. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, clap. 2, 2, 3, and hop. 1, 2, 3, and clap. 5, 6, 7, and then new things. Hook. Clap, 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 clap. 1, 2, 3. So this is the end of section B.
Let's try section B with music.
の空から波の海も越えて日本へどんと来たよいしょとりゃどんと来たパラリンピックの晴れ姿それとポンとポンと晴れ姿リオデジャネイロで掲げた月が今日は都の空照らす4年だったら笑いましょう固い約束夢じゃないでしょこりゃ夢じゃないオリンピックのポートカーそれとポンとポンと顔と顔祭り西の国から東から北の空から南の海も越えて日本へどんと来たよいしょこりゃどんと来たパラリンピックの晴れ姿それとポンとポンと晴れ姿
So there you have it. This is the first half of the Tokyo Gorin Ondo dance.
We will come back next week with the tutorial about the second half of the dance. See you next week.
Bye.